Alright guys, this is the follow-up to the first 5 questions on the last year's chapter test. The first question was, what is the median of the following numbers? And they gave us 6 numbers, and all we have to do is put those in order from least to greatest and then find the middle. But when there's 6, you have to add the 2 up and divide by 2 if they're the 2 in the middle, because it's an even number. If it was an odd number, it'd just be the middle number. So let's see what we got here. The smallest number appears to be 529.12. Then 529.13 is second. Then up they got the third one is 529.14, but they also have a fourth one that's 529.14. And then the 1.5 is fifth, and the 1.6 is sixth. But anyway, the 2 numbers on the middle are both 529.14. So if they're both that number, if I'd add them up and divide by 2, I'd still get 529.14. Okay. Number 2, we have 2 lines graphed on the coordinate grid. Okay, we have this line and we have this line. And it says, what are the coordinates of the intersection of the 2 lines? Well, where do they intersect? They intersect right there. Coordinates, we start at the origin, which is 0, 0. We're going to go right 1, 2. So that's your first number. It's positive. When we go to the right, it's positive. And then we go up 1, 2, 3. So that's 2, 3. Our coordinate pair is 2, 3. And you put that in parentheses there like they did, but they already did. So 2, 3. The third one wants to know, what is the absolute difference between -3 squared and -3 in parentheses squared? So the difference there is, here we're just squaring the 3 and then making it negative. So 3 times 3 is 9. We're going to keep that negative. Over here, because everything is in parentheses, it's -3 times -3, which is positive 9. So they want to know, what is the absolute difference between those 2 numbers? Well, from -9 to 0 is 9 numbers. So basically we're making them both positive and adding. 9 is 9 away from 0, -9 is 9 away from 0. So 9 plus 9 equals 18. The absolute difference is 18. Okay, what is the function of x for 2x, 2 to the x power plus 5, when the function of x is 4? So that means our 2 to the x power becomes 2 to the 4th power plus 5. So that means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. So this is 16 plus 5, which is 21. And the final one, what is the perimeter of the square with an area of 9? Well, area is length times width, or for a square, it's side squared, which is the same thing as length times width. So what number do I multiply by itself to get 9? 3. So perimeter, we have to add all 4 sides up though, so all 4 of them are 3. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 3 is 12. So the perimeter is 12 centimeters. All right, thank you guys.